Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving into a 30-day vegan journey to see how cutting out animal products transforms your body and mind. We'll break down the week-by-week changes, from your gut to your energy and even your thoughts. Whether you're curious or cautious, this is your guide to what really happens when you go vegan for a month. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Improve digestion and gut health. Our journey starts in the gut, the very core of our well-being. It's a complex ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of microbes that play a vital role in our overall health, where the first week brings a surge of dietary fiber. We're talking about a significant increase in the amount of fiber you're consuming, a deliberate flood of goodness for your internal ecosystem. This fiber comes from delicious sources like fruits, vibrant veggies, hearty legumes, and wholesome grains. This fiber feeds your gut bacteria, acting as their primary source of nourishment and energy, boosting diversity and regularity. A diverse gut microbiome is a healthy gut microbiome, and regularity is a sign that things are moving smoothly. You might notice more frequent trips to the bathroom as your body adjusts to processing the increased fiber intake. And yes, some initial bloating or gas. It's a common side effect as your microbiome is adjusting to this new influx of food. Think of it as your gut's way of recalibrating, fine-tuning its processes to optimize the digestion and absorption of nutrients to a new, cleaner fuel source. This phase is temporary and signals positive change, indicating that your gut is actively working to improve its function. Fiber acts like a gentle brush, sweeping through your system, cleaning your digestive tract and setting the stage for better health and improved nutrient absorption. Patience is key. Your body is learning a new rhythm, a new way of processing food and extracting its goodness. Stick with it, and you'll soon notice smoother digestion, less discomfort, and a more efficient digestive process, and a happier gut, a gut that's thriving and contributing to your overall well-being. This foundational shift paves the way for the benefits to come, setting the stage for improved energy levels, a stronger immune system, and a more balanced mood. The groundwork is set for the next stage of transformation, where you'll begin to experience the full potential of a healthy and thriving gut. Chapter 2. More energy, less sluggishness. By week 2, many people report feeling a significant and noticeable boost in their energy levels. It's a welcome change, a shift from feeling drained to feeling revitalized. This surge of energy can be quite transformative, impacting not just your physical stamina, but also your mental clarity and overall mood. Plant-based diets are naturally rich in complex carbohydrates. Think of them as slow-releasing fuel for your body. Oats, a fantastic source of sustained energy, sweet potatoes packed with vitamins and fiber, and bananas. These provide a steady and lasting source of fuel for your body and brain, preventing those energy spikes and subsequent crashes. Say goodbye to those afternoon crashes or that heavy, sluggish feeling after consuming large, difficult-to-digest meals. Your body expends significantly less energy on digesting animal fats and proteins, which can be quite taxing on your system. This frees up valuable resources, allowing you to allocate that energy towards increased activity levels and sharper focus. But remember, it's not just about cutting out animal products. You need to actively replace them with a sufficient amount of plant-based calories to meet your body's energy demands. Skimping on calories can unfortunately lead to fatigue and that dreaded low-energy feeling, so make sure to fill your plate with a wide and colorful variety of whole, unprocessed foods. The result of all this? You'll experience consistent energy levels throughout the day, coupled with a wonderful sense of lightness and well-being. It's about eating more of the right things, not less. And that's the real secret to truly thriving on a vegan diet and unlocking its full potential. This newfound vitality empowers you, propelling you forward with renewed enthusiasm on your health journey. Embrace and enjoy the incredible transformation as your body efficiently adapts to its new, plant-powered fuel source. Chapter 3. Skin changes for better or worse. By week 3, noticeable changes often begin to surface on your skin. This is a pivotal point where the dietary shifts start to manifest externally. You might find yourself observing subtle improvements, or perhaps more significant transformations, depending on your body's unique response. Many individuals notice clearer, brighter complexions emerging. The skin starts to exhibit a natural radiance, a healthy glow that wasn't as prominent before. This newfound luminosity is often one of the first and most welcome signs of dietary success. This is thanks to reduced inflammation throughout the body and a surge of antioxidants derived from the increased consumption of fruits and vegetables. These antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting skin cells from damage and promoting a healthier appearance. Cutting out dairy, a common dietary adjustment, can help balance hormone levels and significantly reduce breakouts for some individuals. Dairy products are known to sometimes exacerbate acne, so eliminating them can lead to a noticeable improvement in skin clarity. Essential vitamins like A, C, and E, abundant in plant-based foods, play a crucial role in protecting and renewing skin cells. Vitamin A aids in cell turnover, vitamin C boosts collagen production, and vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, all contributing to healthier, more resilient skin. But beware processed vegan foods. While plant-based or excessive consumption of soy products can sometimes trigger or worsen existing skin issues for certain individuals. It's all about finding the right balance and understanding how your body reacts. The key to achieving optimal skin health lies in consistently sticking to whole, unprocessed foods. These foods provide the nutrients your skin needs without the added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can contribute to inflammation and breakouts. Ultimately, your skin becomes a mirror reflecting the quality of your diet and lifestyle choices. It's a direct indicator of what's happening on the inside. Glowing, healthy skin rewards consistent good choices, showcasing the positive impact of a nourishing diet. Conversely, breakouts and other skin problems often signal that it's time to reevaluate your dietary habits and make necessary adjustments. Therefore, it's essential to listen attentively to your body's signals. These signals will guide you towards understanding what truly works best for your individual skin and overall well-being. Remember, your skin's transformation is not just a cosmetic change, it's a visible and tangible sign of the positive changes happening within your body, reflecting your internal health and wellness. Chapter 4. Nutrient gaps you need to watch. As you near 30 days, it's time to check your nutrients. Vitamin B12 isn't found in plants. Supplementation is essential for nerve and blood health. Iron from plants is less absorbable, so pair it with vitamin C-rich foods to boost uptake. Omega-3s are crucial. Get them from chia, flax, walnuts, or algae oil supplements. Protein is plentiful in plants, but combine foods like rice and beans for a complete amino acid profile. A well-planned vegan diet covers your needs, but a multivitamin can be a smart safety net. Watch for signs of deficiency, fatigue, weakness, or brain fog, and adjust as needed. Knowledge and planning keep you healthy on this path. Stay mindful, and you'll thrive. Chapter 5. Mental clarity and mood shifts. In the final stretch, many report sharper focus and a brighter mood. Reduced inflammation and steady energy from complex carbs support brain health. Meals like quinoa, chickpeas, and avocado fuel both body and mind. Antioxidants in berries and greens protect brain cells and may lift your mood. If you feel foggy or down, check your calories and nutrients. Iron and B12 are vital for mental clarity. Your mind and body are connected. Listen to their signals. A balanced vegan diet can bring mental clarity and emotional balance. Adjust as needed to keep feeling your best. The journey is as much mental as it is physical. Chapter 6. What happens after 30 days? After 30 days, the changes are often dramatic. Many see weight loss, better digestion, and glowing skin. Not from restriction, but from nutrient-rich foods. You become more mindful about what you eat, reading labels and planning meals. The challenge sparks creativity in the kitchen and a new appreciation for plant-based variety. Even if you don't stay fully vegan, you'll likely keep more plant-based meals in your routine. Small shifts like meatless Mondays can make a big difference. The real takeaway is understanding how food shapes your health. This journey is about exploration, not perfection. You now have the tools to make informed choices for your well-being. Every meal is a chance to support your health. This 30-day vegan journey is just the beginning. The principles of nourishment and mindful change apply to any health goal. Keep exploring, stay curious, and listen to your body's wisdom. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.